It's been 1 year since I brought the gospel of FGN Savings Bond to this channel, and since then, a lot of you have been investing consistently with juicy results. Hello everyone, my name is Flo. I'm back here again talking about money matters that concern us as investors. If you're new here, click the subscribe button so that you will know, even old timers. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Talking about missing my videos, there's been a few complaints about, oh Flo, you announced a bootcamp, but I came here and it's already closed. Yeah, that's because you're not following this channel bumper to bumper. If you are, you will not miss any video that I upload. Are you subscribed? Have you enabled notifications? Are you coming to check from time to time to see if I uploaded any video? Bootcamp will not always be in the title, just like this one. But there's a bootcamp going on right now. You need to register. I'll give you more details later in this video. Today, I can't wait to share the juicy results of people that have been investing consistently in the FGN Savings Bond. You know, when I say that FGN Savings Bond is rewarding, a lot of people prefer Ponzi schemes. There's one that has failed now that is currently giving people buzz. But that's the subject for another video, right? So let's dive straight in to check out the investors of the year. I made the video in March 2024 and he started investing in April 2024. In this spreadsheet, I have up till March 2025. He said he invested in this just concluded edition of FGN Savings Bond. This spreadsheet covers 12 months, so I only cover the investments he made till March. As always, if you need this spreadsheet for tracking your FGN Savings Bond coupon payouts for a whole year, 12 months, the link will be below. You know, when you invest in FGN Savings Bond for more than 3 consecutive months, keeping track of all the coupon payouts that is supposed to come in every month becomes very difficult. It becomes challenging. You will see for this 1 year, at some point, he was receiving 4 coupons. You need to keep track of your coupon payouts so that you know when they are paid and when they are not paid. Please, my brothers and sisters, you don't invest and look away. You have to keep your eye on your investments so that if you don't receive any coupon, you will start on time to chase it up. There are thousands of people that invest in this. I'm telling you, if you're not on top of it, nobody will come telling you, oh, we know that you're the one that needs to chase it up, yeah? Back to the spreadsheet, you will see the amount he invested in each month starting from April 2024. You can see that he invested 8 million naira because, according to him, and I quote, Flo, this is the money that has been sitting idle in my account. I want it to start working for me. And in subsequent months, he has been comfortably investing 1 million naira without fail. You don't have to invest 1 million naira every month, please. All fingers are not equal. You already know that you can invest from 5,000 naira in FGN Savings Bond. The barrier of entry is so low, you don't have any excuses. But as with any investment that comes in interest rate, like has a quoted interest rate, the more money you invest, the more money you will earn. Yeah, realistic interest rates, so not the one that they will tell you that they will be doubling your money every month and you carry all your life savings and put inside there. Now tears, nothing else. Now tears go follow. Over here, you can see all the coupon payouts and the amounts he should expect to receive in his bank account on those dates. At the moment, he has received some of those coupons, but you know, the investments, the consecutive investments he made will still be running for the next 3 years because, as always, I don't talk about 2-year bond, man. We do 3-year bonds around here. Down here, you see the total he invested for the past 12 months. 19 million naira. This is the money he would have wasted on something else because, like I often say, money is a spirit. If you leave it lying idle in your bank account, something must come and take that money. Yeah, I know there are real emergencies, but say the truth. Majority of the time when there's money sitting idle in your bank account, you can easily spend it on frivolous things. Maybe that's where you want to buy that dress. Oh, you want to buy that suit. You want to buy that wristwatch or that phone because you see money lying idle in your bank account. A lot of these spendings come as thoughts, but give it time and you see that, man, I don't really need this thing. Give it time. By give it time, I mean if you kept your money busy, if you tied your money up somewhere where it's working hard for you, you may say, okay, I'll buy this thing when I get my next coupon payout. But let me tell you from experience, by the time your next coupon payout comes in, you would have realized that you'll be like, what was I even thinking? This thing is not a need, man. It should go one side. That's what having your money tied up somewhere working hard for you does for you. It saves you from frivolous spendings. Now let's move to the next sheet: coupon earnings and total earnings for each month. Don't worry, this spreadsheet comes with detailed instructions on how to use it. You just need to have knowledge of Excel and, of course, have Excel installed on your computer before you can use this. Over here, you see the month of subscription. He subscribed in April 2024, and we already know that you don't earn anything in the month you subscribe to FGN Savings Bond. I think at this time, I shouldn't be mentioning all these things. I've already shared all these basic information about FGN Savings Bonds on my channel. So let's move quickly because I have a lot of testimonies here. Your first coupon payout comes 3 months after. He subscribed in April, so May, June, July. So he received his first coupon payout for that April investment in July 2024. Received the second coupon for that investment in October, January, and so on. It will continue like that every 3 months, like clockwork, for 3 years. I'll come back to that in a bit. Then he invested 1 million naira in May 2024. His first coupon came in May, June, July, August, in August 2024. That's what you see here. You can see that his coupon payout for that investment reduced considerably because, like I said before, with all interest-based investments, this is a game of numbers. The more you invest, the more you earn. Our brother here did not say, oh, I don't have 8 million naira to invest this month, therefore I'm not investing. No. If you miss 1 month or investing in a month, you will never get back to that month. Go and look at the trend. You will see that the interest rates for FGN Savings Bond have been gradually dropping. If you miss 1 month, you don't know what they're going to quote next month. Before you know it, it will go back to 11%. It was at 11% before they jump. So you don't know if this May it's going to go down to 11%, and then you'll be biting your fingers. Why didn't I invest in April? At the bottom here, you will find the monthly totals. In July, he received only the first coupon from April investment. In August, he received only the first one from the May investment. In September, only the first one from the June investment. But in October, he received 2 coupon payouts. The second coupon from April investment and the first coupon from July investment. Please note that these 2 coupons will enter your bank account separately. They are not going to combine it because each FGN Savings Bond investment is a standalone investment. Set it, forget it. The only reason that you are investing in consecutive months is for you to be receiving money every month in your bank account. If you invest in just one, you only receive money every 3 months. Okay? Again, yeah, these 2 coupons will enter your bank account separately on these dates shown on the first sheet. Each investment has its own coupon payment dates. So you have to look for that coupon on that date. So in his bank account, this 360,000 naira will come in differently and the 44,000 naira will come in differently. I'm just using this cumulative total to show how much he was making when his investments went beyond 3 consecutive months. From that point on, his investment went from the monthly earnings level to the money-making machine. This is that money-making machine I've been talking about. This is just for 12 months, so just imagine in your head the people that have been investing in this for every consecutive month. Let's not even go far. Since 2023, you receive 8 payments in 1 month by now, because as the number of your consecutive investments increase, the more the number of coupons you get each month till the next phase. By the end of this month of April, which marks the 13th month he started investing consecutively, he would have earned 4 coupons from different investments he made in the past. It won't even get to the end of the month, because I tell you, all things being equal, all FGN Savings Bond coupons come in the first half of the month, yeah. Because usually the announcement is made. I said I will not be explaining this anymore, because I've already explained it in previous videos, because this video is going to be too long. It's already, look at the time already. Anyway, let me just tell you that all things being equal, the FGN Savings Bond coupons coming in the first, all of them coming in the first half of the month. The only instances where you will see FGN Savings Bond coupons coming in the second half of the month is when they delayed the announcement. Like in August last year, the popular one, everybody knew that one, they moved it to the second week. So the coupons for that August investment comes at the second half of the month. But still, it comes before the end of the month. So if you are earning a salary, if you are an employee earning a salary, you earn money from your coupon payout before your salary is paid. Talk about rainy day, what do you call that loan? Payday loan or something. When people like run out of money close to the end of the month, they go to these loan apps and borrow money. You don't have to do that if you have these kinds of investment, because money will come in for you before the end of the month in case you run out of cash, right? Like I said, this investment is still running. This investment will run till 2028, okay? The last ones. Some of them will run out in 2027. So they're still ongoing. And in the, you see here, in the year that he invested in 2024, he got, or he earned 1.7 million naira in the first year. And this first year is not even complete, because as you can see, it's tapered out there. In the second year, which is the first full year where he's earning all the coupons from all the investments, which is 2025-2026, where he's earning the full coupons from all his investments for that first 1 year, he will earn 3.4 million naira. The same goes for the third year, again another 3.4 million naira, because the earnings, he can predict his earnings from now, because once you invest in FGN Savings Bond, that's the good thing about FGN Savings Bonds. It's not like mutual funds that the interest goes up and down. If you invested in this April 2025 FGN Savings Bond, where they offered 17 point something percent for the 3-year bond, you're tied to that interest rate. Even if the interest rate for May changes, it doesn't affect your previous investment. It's tied forever and ever. This is why, if you want to invest in FGN, I'm not forcing anybody. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. If you understand this, how this FGN Savings Bond works, if you want to invest in something that is genuine, not something that they're offering you unrealistic exchange rate, this is the time to do it. Because if you've been keeping an eye on it, the interest rate has been dropping slowly but surely. Yeah, you don't want to invest when it's too late and then you'll be tied to a low interest rate for the next 3 years. Okay, in the fourth year, when the investment starts to taper, because you can see that the first one matures in April 2027, so on that day he will also receive the capital, that 8 million naira. He will be paid this that month, and he will also receive his capital, which was 8 million naira that he invested. On the total, he will earn 10 million naira from 19 million naira. Assuming he stops here, 10 million naira from 19 million naira, which is like 50% after 3 years. Before we continue to the next one, I would like to give you details of the bootcamp that is coming up. If you want to join this bootcamp, I'll leave the link below. Please, when you go to that page, I don't want to talk these bootcamps, you already know the drill by now. Yeah, you've missed a few of them, so you must have watched those videos. Please go over there and read that page. Every information you need to know about that page, what you will learn, what you will achieve by the end of the bootcamp, the prerequisites, what you need to have before you join the bootcamp is over there. All you need to do is read it. It's a long body of text. Make sure you read it till the end, please. Sign up, immediately and send me an email, and we'll meet there. We'll meet over there. Then there's this second guy. He saw my FGN Savings Bond video for the first time in May 2024 and invested 200,000 naira because he wanted to test the waters. I really don't blame anybody that is afraid, especially if you have been burnt before. He said, Flo, I just want to invest this statutory money, see the coupon payout in my account before I invest more because I don't trust this government. You see, trust is the main thing that you need to attract investors, okay? People need to trust you. He invested, waited for the first coupon to enter his account, which was 3 months later. You can see that his first coupon was paid in September. In October, he rushed and invested 500,000 naira. The same in November, and in December, he invested 1 million naira. I don't know if his faith in the government was gradually increasing or if he just happened to have more money to invest in December. Either way, it's an addiction. Like, once you start, you can't stop. You use broom to go and sweep up any cash that is anywhere in your house, in your account, to come and invest because you can see the results. That's the thing. But it's good addiction. That's why I like it. I noticed that even while I'm preparing, because there's a stage where, you know, at the beginning, before the boot camp, I ask you questions back and forth to understand what kind of investor you are, what you want to achieve with your investment, you know, your investment goals and all that. And then there are some illustrations that I send to people, describe things to people, and they already understand it. In fact, some of them will say, okay, I'm going to invest 500,000 naira. By the time we start investing, because the boot camp, at the end of the boot camp, we invest. For instance, if you sign up for this boot camp, we invest in the May edition of boot camp. So, sorry, in the May edition of FGN Savings Bond, not boot camp. So, by the time we come to invest, they will say, Flo, now I want to invest 2 million. You know, you see the jump from 500,000 to 2 million. I said, whatever you want to invest, you now know it. So, the thing is, a lot of people are afraid because they lack knowledge. But as long as they get the knowledge, which is one more thing that you achieve with this bootcamp, you get the knowledge, and I sprinkle a lot of confidence in you. That's another thing. Usually, from the start of bootcamp to the investment in FGN is 2 weeks. These people's confidence have already risen, and a lot of them have started buying shares on their stockbrokers platform by the time we finish because they've been yearning to do this, but they lacked the information and the courage or confidence to do that. But once you get it, you go. Now, let's see what the monthly earnings for this second investor looks like. Like I said earlier, his first investment was in June. His first coupon for that investment came in September. He did not earn anything in October because he did not invest in July. Remember, he was waiting to see the first coupon. He did not invest in August either, hence, he did not earn anything in November. In December, his second coupon from the June investment came in. In January, his first coupon payout from October investment came in, and because he also invested in November, his first coupon from November investment came in February. And in March, that is last month, he earned twice because his third coupon payout from June 2024 investment coincided with his first coupon from December 2024 investment. I'm going to bite my tongue. Yeah. From all these examples I've given in this video, you can see the compounding effects of setting up a money-making machine and how you will have gaps if there are gaps in your investments. It is clear as daylight. Yes, it may look complicated if you're new to investing, but that's why I'm here. I'm a teacher's daughter. I've been teaching since my secondary school days. My teaching hasn't stopped. This YouTube now, what I do here, both on my other channel and here, is teaching. In my job, I teach new hires or people that come from another facility. This video, I'm going to stop here now. If you enjoyed this video, if you want me to use your own history, send me an email. Just tell me what you invested month by month and I'll do the rest. Yeah, just, you don't need to do a lot of work. You don't need to put it in a spreadsheet for me. Just tell me I invested so amount, and then I'll come up with what because I already know, all the interest rates for each month. So I'll come up with what you earn and all that, and I'll use it to inspire other people. Are you motivated? Are you? Give this video a huge thumbs up and see you in my next video.